Hello everyone. This is in continuation to Bayes theorem related application problems. So now we are into question number 18. It read as an urn contains two red and one green ball. Another urn contains two red and two green balls. An urn was selected at random and then a ball was drawn from it. If it was found to be red, then what is the probability that it has been drawn from the first urn, right? So here they talk about two urns, right? And then here they say an urn was selected at random and then a ball was drawn from it. So let us say, let A1 equal to event of, I'm talking about this, and was selected at random. There are two urns and we are going to select any one of them. Event of choosing first urn. So what is the probability of this? Since there are only two, naturally this will be 1 by 2. Okay. Then let A2 is equal to event of choosing second urn. That will be again 1 by 2. So if I choose the first urn, it prevents me to choose the second urn. Similarly, if I choose the second urn, it prevents me to choose the first urn. So one thing is clear, A1 and A2 are mutually exclusive. And then if I add the probabilities, I get 1. That means these are the only two outcomes or events possible. So I can say here clearly, here A1 and A2 are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. Events. Right. Now, here if you look into, the question is about drawing a red ball. Means the favorable outcome is to get a red ball out of these two colors, red and green color. You are interested in drawing a red color only. So it says that this first urn, let me write that also. On 1, it has got 2 red and 1 green. That means totally it has got 3 balls. Okay. On 2, it has got 2 red, 2 green. So totally there are 4 balls. So here I can say the common event. Let me call it as B. And what it is? Event of drawing a red ball. A red ball. So that is the common event, right? So let us continue in the subsequent slide. Now, what is given? If you look into, they gave you indirectly probability of drawing a red ball, provided it is drawn from first urn. Given that it is drawn from first urn, how much it will be? First urn, there are 2 red balls out of 3 balls, there are 2 red balls. That means if I want to draw red, means the probability works out to 2 by 3. So this will be 2 by 3. Same way, if I want to draw red ball, given that it is from the second urn, how much it is? There are 4 balls in the second urn and 2 are red. That means the probability is 2 by 4. Or I can simplify it to 1 by 2. Now, what is the question? Question is, A ball was drawn from it. I mean, any of the urn was chosen, first urn or second urn, that was randomly chosen, and then a ball was drawn from it. It was found to be red, means this is past tense. Already the color was found to be red. Now the question is, what is the probability it has been drawn from first urn? Means they are talking about A1. They are asking us to find what probability of A1 given that it is already found to be a red ball. So how do we write again using Bayes theorem? It is B, the probability of A1 multiplied by probability of B given A1. The whole thing, A1 multiplied by probability of B given A1 plus probability of A2 into probability of B given A2. Now it is substituting probability of A1, sorry, as well as A2, both are half and half. This is half. B given A1 is 2 by 3. This is half. B given A1 is 2 by 3 plus probability of A2 also half only because it is about choosing of any of the two arms. Then B given A2 is half. It is available above. Here it is. Right? Now I can cancel this with this, this with this. So you will have 1 by 3 in the numerator, 1 by 3 here, plus 1 by 4. So if I simplify this, how much do I get? Here the LCM is 12. So this is 4, this is 3. I can write this as 1 by 3 multiplied by 12 by 7. So this goes with this 4 times. So ultimately the desired probability is 4 by 7. Right? So that is the solution for this particular problem. Right? So let us move on to the next. Question number 90 says, a man is known to speak truth 3 out of 4 times. He throws a die and reports that it is a 6. Okay. Find the probability that it is a 6, means it is actually a 6 only. So here, how do we define the events? So immaterial of whatever is the number, he is reporting it as a 6. So that means whether it is a truth or is it a lie, he is going to report it as a 6 only. So first let me say, let A1 equal to event of occurrence of 6. So that means in a throwing of a die experiment, probability of A1 will be, it is 1 out of those 6 values, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Out of that, only one possibility is for to get a 6. Same way, event of non-occurrence of 6 means it doesn't occur. Let me call that as A2. So probability of A2 will be naturally 5 by 6. So one thing is clear that either 6 occurs or 6 don't occurs. So if it occurs, this avoids this. If this occurs, this prevents this. And this total is also 1. So I can clearly say that here A1 and A2 are mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. Now, what is the common event in this? Here, common event, let us call it as B. That is what? Event of the man reporting 6. That is the common event. Means whether it is actually 6 or not, he is going to report it as 6. That is what is the understanding from this particular question. So I can say what is probability of B when it is actually 6 has occurred. See, the question says that he is known to speak truth 3 out of 4 times. So this is actually a truth, means actually 6 occurred and this fellow is also saying 6. So I can say that is nothing but 3 out of 4. That means it is 3 by 4. Then what is the probability that this man reports 6 and actually A2 has occurred, means non-occurrence of 6 occurred. So that what happens is he is actually lying. That will become it. He is lying. So I will have to write it as 1 by 4. So these are the probabilities now available. Now find the probability that it is a 6, means die throwing has already occurred and the man has reported that as S6, means reporting has already occurred as, the man has reported already it as S6, right? So it is a 6 means I'm supposed to find out what is probability of A1 given B. That is what is the question. What is probability of occurrence of 6 given that the man has informed that it is a 6 or reported that it is a 6. So again, I will say it is probability of A1 multiplied by probability of B given A1, whole thing divided by probability of A1 multiplied by probability of B given A1 plus probability of A2 multiplied by probability of B given A2. Now let us find out what are all the values. Probability of A1 and probability of A2. A1 it is 1 by 6, A2 it is 5 by 6. Here it is 1 by 6. Then A2 is 5 by 6. Okay. What is B given A1? It is 3 by 4 and B given A2 is 1 by 4. So this is 3 by 4 and this is 1 by 4. So this I will repeat, 1 by 6, 3 by 4. Now what is that? This goes with this 2 times, so that means this numerator is 1 by 8. This is also 1 by 8. Here it is 5 by 24. Let's simplify that. I can write 1 by 8 divided by LCM. Here it is 24. 8 3s are, here it is 5. So I can rewrite this as 1 by 8 multiplied by 24 by 8. This goes with this 3 times. So the result, final result is 3 by 8. That will be the required probability, right? So with this, I'm ending this session. We will meet in our subsequent videos to understand what do we mean by a random variable and the probability distribution of a random variable, right? In case if you find these contents to be useful to you, I request you to please like, share to your friends and subscribe to my channel so that you get regular updates on my videos. Thank you.